Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Now you gotta be careful because when you look at these cabinets, they look like they're okay. A little bit of wear and tear right there. See where the gap is between the two different levels? Okay, but it's actually pretty soft. Take a look under here. This is all deteriorated. It's all gonna fall apart. See how it's all rotted here? These are all things you're gonna be looking for if you're gonna buy a mobile home. You want to look into these places, see if the sink, see how the top is all rotted here, got wet. This is things you will have to fix if you're buying it. So that's what we want to help you figure out before you go buying something and not knowing how much you're going to spend. There's your support for the drain. Has wires to keep it from flopping around and getting knocked loose on this. But keep your eye out for these kind of things whenever you're getting ready to buy one yourself. So here we go, we're taking this out. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw and think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.